Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create an amusing AI under 15 minutes. Under 15 minutes, we want to create an amusing and excellent AI. Under 15 minutes, you don't need to know anything about coding or anything else to write this code. Okay, at first we create a data file that we call it data.csv. That is an easy file. We just have 10 numbers and the sum of the 10 numbers. As you can see, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 until A10. They sum and become this number. You can see if we put them, the sum is 120. And you can hear 24. Okay, we have this data. What we should do, we don't need anything else from our Google Chrome. We go to Google Chrome and say Google Drive. After opening it, we go to one of the folders if we created. Okay, if we don't create it, not important. We go to the folder and we just simply drag our data file to the folder. Sorry for me if I'm speaking fast, but I want to close this under 15 minutes. Okay, after that we go and search Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is here. What we should do, we write here, can you give me a Python code that read our CSV file from our drive in Colab. We are just using Microsoft Copilot. You can use ChatGPT or anything else. As I said, this is the first lesson of our 15 minutes learning. Create a AI under 15 minutes. I will give you a complete course on it, and we have a complete course. Absolutely, I will give you a complete course too, to you to understand how to write this code. But today is just to write a code without knowing anything about programming or AI. We just ask it, and you can see you ask it too. It's not important what we are asking, just ask it too. Okay, if it verify that I am human. Okay, after it's writing, just copy that. We go to Google Colab, search colab.google, and after that, new notebook. Let me close the past one. And after we open a new notebook, a place has come here for us for writing our code. This cell, we just paste our code, and just you need to make one modification. What? You have to change these names. Our folder name is 15 minutes and our CSV file name is data. After that, we just simply press Ctrl and Enter to run that cell. We might wait a little to connect to our Python tree. I fasten up this part a little. Okay, let's see. Now it wants us to log in. You can simply log in. It's easy. If your email is login, you can do it. Okay, press continue. Then wait a little. I told you, you don't need to know anything about these lines and what they do. We just want to create an easy one. Okay, as you can see, our data is imported. You can see here, the first column is 98. We have our data. Okay, now let's what you do. I tell you, I don't need to write any line of code in this lesson. If you want to know how to write them, I will tell you in the lessons that I make after this lesson. But today is just create a simple AI under 15 minutes. And we just ask Copilot, can you write a neural networks that predict one number using 10 number, the data's are a CSV file called, what we call it, let's go and see, called def for data frame. Okay, it say we do something, a step to prepare data. We just copy that, create a new cell, paste the data here. I'll close, paste the data here, and then run it. It's run it without any problem. We don't need to write even one line of code. And another line, paste it. You can see our model has been training and we don't even write a single line of code. Okay, now let's see. Create a new code and evaluate our model. Evaluate our model. Make prediction. Model.predict. Print loss. We want to see what the loss is. The loss is 66. Okay, we create a model, but we don't know if the model is good or not, and we can't even give it a number. Let's see and ask Copilot, can you give me some charts for evaluating model? Okay, it's giving us loss curve, predictions actual. It gave us a lots of plot. We just copy it, create another cell, paste it and run it. We just copy it, wait a little for the model to be trained. Do you see? We don't need anything else for running our model. Okay, it says PLT is not defined. We forget to import this line. There is not a problem. We just delete it and paste it here and then copy. It's all about copying and pasting. I told you I don't want to tell you anything about the theory today. Today we are going to build it as fast as possible. And if you want to learn theory, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will absolutely tell you everything about the theory and what the model means and anything else. If you want, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will upload the videos daily for you to weekly for you to can see. Okay, let me see what is case. It tell us the loss for validation data is too high and the loss for the train data is too high also. Okay, I don't like it. Let's see what we can do. It say the prediction value and the actual value are near. If the line is like that, let me tell you anything. If we have the line like this thing we have here, let me create you a little better for you to see. If we have our data on this line, that means our model is pretty good. And you can see it's pretty good. Okay, for now, and residual plot, let me create the last plot. You guys can see the model prediction is near and I love it and it's good. Okay, now I want to predict something with that. Let me say, if I have new data and I want to predict it using model, what should I do? Okay, let's give us the it says I give the data as this kind. Let me say the data type is list for input. I just said we want to give it the data as a list. We copy that line and just easily go to our coding section. Okay, let me create our test data. we must choose our data here. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and at the last 10. And here we have 101, 102, 2. Okay, these are our new data. We can change what the number we want to give. Let's run it. And the next line, it says we must load our model. Let's load our model. Okay, I don't know what it said. Prediction model.predict. I think we don't need to load our model. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, it predicts the numbers. The sum from 1 to 10 and the sum from 1 to 2. Let's see how accurate this model is. We go to calculator. For the second one, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No, I created mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The model is pretty accurate. It's only 0, 3, the difference. And for the next one, 1, 1, oh. Okay, let's sum it so fast. I think I don't make any mistakes until now. As you can see, the number that predicted is really near and it's good. Okay, this is the end. We know how to predict, how to write an AI and predict a simple question under 15 minutes without knowing a line about coding or write a line of code. But then don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to create a complete course. We have the courses in the past, but they are most projects that I made and they don't have any discipline. But we are going to create a great project, a great course, weekly, a 15 minutes video a week. That in this video, I'm going to tell you everything from the start, from the using of the programming. We are going to learn Python until when you can write 10 or 12 projects with AI, like how to understand the difference from the voice or image processing or anything you want. And then you can write absolutely something that can learn how to speak and absolutely how to understand what you say. But for them, you need a great server. But that's not important for now. Maybe you have, maybe or not. But the important thing is we are in the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be so happy to tell you more and more about the AI and about the things that we are going to make. Don't forget to watch our next video in the next week. And if you don't have any problem, you can just go and watch our previous courses that I tell you in projects how to write an AI that can predict the comments and say if the comments are good or bad in a YouTube channel's videos. Have a good day. Don't forget to like